Hey guys, how are you doing today? Today's video is my first haul of 2021. Who knew that this was going to be coming, but as I always say, and as we can clearly see from the evidence of videos in the past, this isn't going to change anytime soon. I'm always going to be doing a haul, and yeah, there was good reason. Was there a good reason? Don't know, but there was a sale on Asos basically, and then they had 21% off everything on New Year's Day. I know this is quite a way off New Year's Day, but I got free delivery, so I didn't bother paying $5.95 to get faster delivery, and it came alright. So it came on a Wednesday. So I've got a bag here. It's not an overly big bag, so let's delve right on in. My total came to £53.64. And everything I got here was in the sale. I did have a few things in my basket that weren't in the sale, but I actually took those out because I didn't really want to be buying too much stuff or spending a lot of money anyway. Originally the subtotal of what the items were when they were just discounted on sale was £67.90. I got £14.26 off that, making it £53.64. So I can tell you the prices of what it was originally and then what it was on sale, but I don't know what it was on the top of my head with the 21% off as well. But I'm going to just start pulling things out of the bag, and because Asos don't do like return labels anymore, I will be looking at the stuff on my phone. So the first thing I've got here, here it is. These are Asos design jersey running shorts in black with white binding. Now I do really like the look of these. They are very short. They just look like this. If they're not too, they are very short actually. They've got pockets. I don't know, I just really like the look of these running shorts. They remind me so much of like 80s and like, you know, the 118 guys and stuff. I probably won't wear them out too much, but for like lounging around the house shorts, they're not that bad. So originally these were £14.80. What am I saying? I can't read. I've been at work all day. They were £14, they went down to £9.80, and then I got 21% off on that as well. And I really wanted a classic black with the white piping pair because they look, I don't know, I think there's something quite classic about these. I got these in a medium. So these are the shorts. Let me like tuck that in or something. They are obviously quite short, but because that's where my knee is for reference. They are quite short, but not like overly short. So I probably could get away with wearing them outside of the house. But I probably won't. I'll probably just use them as like another pair of lounge shorts. And I haven't got actually lounge shorts that are this short. Mine are all like down to my knee because they're just lounge wear. And when it does get really hot, it would be quite nice to have another like loungy material. I got them in a medium, which was a good thing. There is a bit of room in here, but if I got them in a small, I feel like they would be quite tight. But yeah. Next item I got was this, and let me look at the stuff on my thing first. So this is the Asos Design Oversized PK, is that how you say PIQE? T-shirt with tipping and pocket in blue. Now I would not say this is blue, and I quite like that. The actual the actual image on here isn't blue either. It's like a mint green colour. It's mineral blue according to this. I got it in a size small, but it is apparently oversized, so hopefully it is quite oversized. It looks quite boxy actually, doesn't it? That's it, like full length. So yeah, I do, and I really like this design, so hopefully it will fit alright. I do like my t-shirts oversized, and originally, did I say that? It was £18 originally. This went down to £5.40, and then 21% off that. So yes. Hello, I know you probably can't see very well, and this is probably the only best place that I've got like a clear wall and stuff. So don't mind that, but I just wanted to show you what this t-shirt looked like on it. It comes like quite tapered, and I am wearing these shorts by the way. I'll get to those in a minute. But these, yeah, it feels like it oversized, but it feels, what's this bit called, comes in quite narrow. The arms are obviously quite nice and long, and I really like the sea foamy colour. So yeah, this is a small and it's an oversized fit, so I was umming and ahhing about going for a small or a medium, and I'm glad I didn't go for a medium, because that would be quite wide, and I do like an oversized, but I think it could look really oversized otherwise. Yeah, it kind of tapers in at the bottom, and it was quite tight putting it over my neck, but like looking at it now, it doesn't look tight. Next item is this, and I'll read you what it is first. So this is the Asos Design Crossbody Hard Case Box Bag in black faux leather. Now originally full price this was £35, went down to £25.20, and then 21% off that as well. So around the £22-ish mark, was it? No, around the £20 mark. So I've seen, oh, it's just coming untangled. It's a crossbody bag, and it looks, I really like a Louis Vuitton trunk, but am I ever going to buy a Louis Vuitton trunk bag? They were quite big last year, and Gallux, who completely influenced me on this purchase, I don't think he owns this, but he owns like one similar, or a Louis Vuitton one or something like that. It's not got any inside pockets, and actually the opening is not very wide. Oh no, it does have, does it? No inside pockets, and it is like hard, apart from the top bit here is soft. So yeah, I do really like that. This is an iPhone 12, and that's what it is up against it, so we'll fit that in quite easily. And yeah, I've got loads of little bags now, and I just really like this. I wanted it, and it was out of stock, and then it came back in stock, and I just really like it. Okay, I don't know where I'm going with it, and I'm especially not going anywhere with it at the moment, but I just really wanted it. I thought I'd just show you what this bag looks like on as well. Just really looks like that, doesn't it? It's got an adjustable thing as well, so you can obviously make it a lot shorter and a lot tight, well, not actually that much longer. If you wanted to, I haven't obviously taken that bit off yet. So yeah, I'd probably wear this over coats and stuff, not wearing this outfit, and it's like pulling it and stuff, but yeah. Oh my god. This is kind of like, you see it online and then it comes up a lot smaller. Oh dear. I bought another bag. I didn't realise it would be this small. This. Okay. This is the Asos Design Mini Crossbody Utility Bag in khaki with grab handles and strap. Okay, I thought it would be a lot bigger than that. And no, I did read the measurements actually. Has it got yeah, there's a crossbody strap inside, and yeah, I thought this would be a lot bigger, but actually, you know what, having said that, I can use this as a camera bag for my little camera that I've got, so it's not totally a waste. But originally this was £12 full price, went down to £4.80, and then 21% off that as well, so £3. There's like around £1 off, so it was around £3 something for that little khaki bag. Oh dear. It's got a little pocket in the front, but I thought this was going to be, because I have brought, I don't know how to say it, the Phasian Calcan bag once and returned it on Asos because I was like, that's too small. But now, and that was before like lockdown or anything 2020 happened, and I kind of want that, but I don't want to pay £65 for it. And I thought, well, this would be an alternative, but clearly it's not, because this wouldn't fit my phone in. I mean, it might fit a mask and like a card holder, and that's it. So I'm not going to return something that was £3 because it's not that bad. And I will be able to fit a camera in here, my little pocket camera, whenever we can go anywhere again, which would be quite nice, because I don't know, actually no, I think it is already in a case, but that'll be something different. Okay, I'm not going to open these, but I did buy some more masks. I bought a pack of 3, and these are triple layered, they said so on the website. These were really good. These were, and if they're on the website still, I'd recommend you getting them, and I have actually placed another order for just 4 more packets of these. You get 3 in a pack. Originally £12, they went down to £4.80, and then I got 21% off that as well, so that is a really good price. Recommend those. Asos ones are really good. They've got the metal wire bit around the nose, and you can adjust the straps, so really recommend those. Last item to show you now, and this is from New Look on Asos, and it is just a running top, so it's really not that exciting. How much was this? This was, oh, actually no, there's another item actually, which is really not exciting either. This was £3.90, and I got 21% off that as well, so really cheap actually. And I got it in a small. I'm probably not gonna, well, I've wanted another running top. It's got one little bit of reflecting bit on the back, but not a lot else. And it is the New Look Kind range. But yeah, just another running top, really cheap. How much was this originally? It was originally £7.99, so not bad. And especially running stuff and everything is really expensive. One last thing, and they're really not exciting, I bought some more pants. I don't think I need to show you those. I'm just going to open them to make sure I've got what I wanted in here. They just look like they've been thrown in the bag. Yeah. Oh, they're quite wide. I got 2 packs of pants, long ones, because I like long. They're boxers, long like boxers. They weren't the most expensive thing. They're Reebok 2-pack long sport trunks in black and grey. They were £14. They were originally £24.95. And if you really want to see them, they just look like this. They're quite long. I like longer ones when I'm running. So there we go. Hope you guys are all well. Thank you so much for watching this Asos haul. Yeah, how are you all doing? Let me know in the comments. Is there anything you've seen on Asos recently that you've caught your eye and you thought, I'll pull that trigger? Or did you even get anything in the Boxing Day / January sales that are kind of still going on? I'm kind of not looking at anything at the moment, but this was the only few things I wanted to get, because I wanted to get some more pants basically. And originally I really liked the look of that, but that was very tiny, so, and I really liked the box bag and stuff like that, so there wasn't really anything else on my wish list that I really wanted. So yeah, hope you guys are well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not already, please subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.